Hello guys! Today we'll be learning how to use keyframes. So first of all I started the video and then I deleted it. So yeah, we have nothing here. Okay, so keyframes. What are keyframes? So keyframes are in the CSS. You cannot use them anywhere else in the CSS. You can only use them in CSS. So keyframes help you animate stuff. So for example, I have this, I don't know, this little flush. I don't know what it is. So yeah, in HTML, he's steady, right? But what if you wanted to, like, it's a button. Let's say this is a picture of a button. Let's say this is a picture of a button, and you want it to have a little bit of life. So you wanted, like, every 2 seconds or second you want it to jump a little bit, like this. You want it to keep doing this. Or maybe you just want them to, when you load up the site, you want them to just pass by once, and that's it. Or you want, that's an intro, you want some logo to, like, it's a dark screen, and you want the logo to just opacity 1, so appear, and then 1 second later it width of the darkness shortens and you see the website. So that's an intro, like. And with keyframe you can make an intro. So it's you should learn it. This video will help you learn it, the whole thing, everything you need to know. It won't be in parts. That's why it's about 20 minutes. I think it's going to be long. So yeah, let's start. We don't have much time. So yeah, we have nothing. We have HTML, just ID box. You see it here. We have nothing. This means it targets everything, like body, HTML, I mean H1 or everything. So why everything? Because H1 he has margin on him. When you just put him, he has a margin already. So even if you didn't put any margin. So yeah, this overwrites it and let's put this to 0. And body has a margin. We already talked about that in the previous video, so you can watch my previous video. I mentioned it. I didn't make a tutorial about it because it's a little thing. Just use it. It's a good practice. So yeah, okay, let's start. First, we're going to make a box. Width, we'll put it 200 pixels. Height, we'll put it 200. Yeah, okay. So background color will be, I'm using Atom. I already told you that, but yeah, it's a good program. It's free and you can download it. It's good software for editing. These are plugins which are also free. So yeah, I highly recommend using this. Okay, we have a box. Okay, let's put it in the middle. We already talked about how to put it in the middle. So let's put a position absolute. That means he doesn't care where he is. He doesn't care. That's what absolute means. He doesn't care where he is, and he doesn't look, like, if there's a box and there's a box. If this box is absolute, he will go inside this box because he doesn't see this box. He's blind. When you set him obsolete, he's blind. When you set it to relative, he can see. He responds as a normal block. So, but if you put it fixed, then he's blind. But he's like, this is the screen, and he, like, sticks to your screen. So if you're scrolling, he will be on your screen and he will not scroll up. He will just be there. So yeah, that's how you can make a fixed navigation. So yeah, a little tutorial for positioning. Okay, a lot of you may know that, but okay, let's put top 50%. Left, we need to center it. Whole transform, translate, minus 50%, minus 50%. Okay, now it should be on center. Okay, we see it. It's on center. Okay, let's put let's put, let's make him glow. So we want box shadow. Okay, how do you do this? Shadow. Okay, 0, 0, 0 or 20 pixels. I think, yeah, 20 pixels. Now we want to hashtag 0, 0, 0. That means it's going to be black. Let's see how that looks. Okay, we have a nice little box with the shadow. We want it to glow. So we want to expand the shadow, lower the shadow, expand the shadow, lower the shadow. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, how do you type keyframes? It's easy. It's CSS, but it's CSS. You can see it. You will understand it. So it's like this. Put, I don't know how you call it this, but I call it a monkey with that A and with the circle. I call it a monkey. So a monkey and lowercase key frames, all lowercases. Then you put a space, and then you name it however you want. It could be anything, like I mean anything. Test, but I think you must not put a letter for the first. So I don't know, maybe I didn't test it. So yeah, let's from 0. We wanted to get to 100%. So we telling him, okay, from this get to this. But I also, okay, actually we'll fix the mistake later. There is no mistake now, but yeah, we'll just copy this, oops, this, then this. Okay, we wanted to get from 20, that's already what he has, to, let's say, I don't know, 40. 40 makes a good number. Okay, so if we load the page now, you will see nothing happens. Why? Because we didn't target them. So how do you target them? In CSS you need to put animation. First you need to put the name. So name here. This will be the name. I'm just going to show you how. The second one needs to be the seconds. How many seconds do you want? The third one, so the third one doesn't matter, but you can put it. So the third one can be the delay. The next number you put seconds or delay. Del seconds. So how many? Delay means it will wait 2 seconds, then activate it. Okay, so yeah, that means that. Then you can put some of this as on. Then you can put as in. That means it will ease. So it will go fast, then ease. Ease means it will go slow, fast, slow. Then we have as out. I sound like French. So ease out means I think I messed up. I think it's the other way around with ease in it in the ease out. Never mind. Okay, and linear. That means it will go the same speed. So from here to here, he will go the same speed. So ease looks like this. Then the linear looks like this. He will go the same speed. So yeah. And then before that, after that, you can put something like some number. So how many times do you want it to repeat? So like if you want it, make that 2 times. Okay, repeat that 2 times. So yeah, or if you want it infinite, you don't need to type 9999 like in the last video. You can type infinite. I don't know how to spell it, so I have a mobile phone for this. Okay, so now that you know how to do this, let's test it. Test, the name is test. We want it to last for 2 seconds, and we want it to have a delay 1 second. So yeah, and by default you don't have to type ease, because by default it it is. So yeah. Okay, you can see it's growing, and then he stopped. So he had one delay second. Let's put it 0 delays, so don't type it at all. See, he's growing, and then boom, back. Okay, so what you can type, oh, I forgot one thing. You can type anywhere you want, both. That means okay, start from this, so it will, when the page loads, it will have this instead of this, and when the animation finishes, it will have this. So you see how he snaps. If I refresh now, it's auto-saved. Okay, never mind. Both. That means, look at this. So he will stay the shadow. See, the shadow stays. That means that is really useful. So I use that a lot. Okay, but we wanted to go to infinite loops. So infinite. I'm a little bit a retard. Infinite. Okay. Infinite means forever. So yeah, let's see. So it will grow back, grow back. Okay, but we want it to go back. So how do we do that? It's easy. Just put a 50%. So box shadow will be 50% here, and we'll go back. So 100 and 0 needs to be the same for it to work. Okay, let's see how it works. And we have ourselves a little bit, you see, it flashes. Let's make it a little bit faster. It's not enough. Okay, you can see it flashes. Okay, but you can type it like this. When I watched my first tutorial, he typed it like this, so I adapted to his. So yeah, but and when you want another stuff, like we wanted to jump, so top, it is 50% now, because you can see here we have 50%, so I want it to stay the way it is, and we want here to jump, so 30%, 40%. Okay, now let's see. You can see he's jumping. Every second he will jump. Let's make it a little bit smaller, like 45. Oh, actually 48. It is too much. Okay, you can see he jumps now. Okay, so I think you got the principle how to use it. So I'm going to make more tutorials about this, but yeah, this is you can like make it from 1%. It doesn't need to be 50%. You can make it however you want, from 0 to 100, any number. You have a lot of space. So yeah, okay. So but if you want to like maybe put it down, like box on hover, I don't want it on hover to stop, because you don't want it jumping while they're trying to click it. The button jumps and they can click, and that's annoying. So yeah, let's put animation none. That's easy, and that's it. When they hover, the animation, but it will snap back. So yeah, there's no fix for that. See here, if you, there's nothing, and there is. So yeah, that's the basics of it, and you can make a lot of stuff with this. So yeah, I hope I helped you. If you like this video, like, if I helped you, like, please, I'm trying to grow my channel as big as it can go. I have a lot of jQuery tutorial. I will make jQuery tutorials. If someone doesn't know jQuery, I made like games with jQuery. I can make custom like scroller. This you can make it when you scroll, the page is loaded up. It's really easy, and I can actually give you the code. So yeah, no, you can copy it on your website or something if you want. So yeah, I'm going to make a video about that, but for now, yeah, this is all you need. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.